Kasado na ang off-land biyaheng ayos ng Mactan-Cebu International Airport para sa Semana Santa 2024. Narito ang balita ni Eileen Navarro.
Naka-heightened alert level ngayon ng Mactan-Cebu International Airport dahil sa patuloy na pagdagsa ng mga pasahero sa domestic at international operations dito. Ayon sa CEO at General Manager ng MCIAA na si Mr. Julius Neri Jr., ang airport bilang gateway papasok sa isang lugar ay dapat magkaroon ng magandang first impression. Kaya naman ngayong panahon ng Semana Santa, inilatag nito ang ipinapatupad na safety measure upang masiguro ang seguridad sa paliparan.
We have help desks, international and domestic, both departure and arrival. We have men in uniform, more visible to discourage people from becoming more unruly. We have double checked and made sure that all of our systems are operational. We have redundancies for our generators and other equipment to make sure in case there's a problem, it will not affect the efficiency of our airport.
Mismong si Neri ang nangunguna sa inspeksyon ng mga help desk upang masigurong nakahanda na ang mga personahe na tutugon sa mga kinakailangang impormasyon ng mga pasahero at upang matiyak na ang mga help desk na ito ay may sapat na mga tauhan na nakabantay hanggang Marso 31, huling araw ng Oplan Semana Santa. Ayon kay Mary Ann Monzon Di Mabayaw, PIO ng Mactan-Cebu International Airport Authority, mayroong 4 na Oplan Help Desk ang Mactan-Cebu International Airport. Tigda-2 nito sa departure at arrival areas ng Terminal 1 and 2.
We have 4 actual malasakit help desks that are already in place. Yun. Dili na siya namo pa butangan kay tungod kay offline siya. So naana na siya daan. Although heightened alert magita sir no.
Aasahan ang pinagsama-samang puwersa mula sa iba't ibang departamento, kabilang na ang Operations Department, Rescue at Firefighting Division, Medical Division, Airport Police Division at sa Public Affairs Division ng MCIA. Kasama rin ang mga personahe mula sa PNP Aviation Security at JMR Megaway Cebu Airport Corporation. Tiniyak naman ni MCIAA CEO at General Manager Neri na nakahanda ito anumang sitwasyon at hamon na kakaharapin ngayong Semana Santa.
Well, the MCIAA has always prided itself on being one of the best, if not the best airport in the country. And as such, we are always ready to face whatever challenges come our way. We cannot say that everything will run smoothly because that's not for us to say. We can say that we are as prepared as we can be for whatever challenges may come. And we try to anticipate everything, and we try to prepare everything, not only in terms of equipment, but also in terms of manpower and other support services. Hopefully that will be enough.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas nating mahal, mula dito sa Cebu, Eileen Navarro, SMNI News.